Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to American's channel, and today I'm going to what's in my memory boxes. I came back to my parents' house and I found out about stuff that I have been collecting the whole time when I was in Saudi and traveling in the UK, studying there, and I found my memory hard disk that is 1 tera full with the videos that I think I'm going to make a good video out of it. I hope it's not like just memory album. I have to make something out of it. Anyway, like you see behind me, I have a lot of stuff like this. Like this is the postcard that I got from my friends, and this one is the tea towel actually, that it has London on it, and then Oxford is over there, and so many small stuff, souvenirs that I love to collect. And I have some also already displayed outside and in my sister's restaurants and many things. So then I'll be talking so fast because it's gonna be long, because I have a lot of like this one in here and in here, and also in this box. I just found that I was cleaning up my room and I just saw those, and so this is how I'm just cleaning up. Before I continue my cleaning up, I will just show you this. Okay. First, this is what I have. Money. Canada $10, $1 dollars, and then God, now you can see the mess in this box. Yes, everything is on this table, even mine. Anyway, so I'll show you. This is Indonesian old money. Can you hear me? Yes. I got this. More and more of postcards from Holland, Düsseldorf, Amsterdam, yeah. This is from the Europe trip. And continue with the money, Indonesian old money. So I'll just put them all together. And then 50 Egyptian pound, Canada $5, and then another Egyptian money, and this one is Clydesdale. This is British pound, but from the Edinburgh, from Scotland. UAE 1 pound Egypt money, Muslim money. And this one Filipino money, 20 peso, and this is Indian 50 rupee, 100 rupee. Another Scotland money, 5 pound, 50 rupiah, Maldives, or 50 rupiah, yes, Maldives. I never been to Maldives. This is also Maldives money, but I sat with a guy from Maldives and we just exchanged notes. Yeah. Then this is from Khmer, Antalya. This is my cat. This is from Hurghada, Red Sea, which I never visited. And this is Amsterdam and Egypt, Hurghada. So far, can you see it? And then another Egypt. I am kinda selling them if I have extra, like Bulgaria, London, very big, Paris, and then Mesir, Egypt. Keychain is really good. There is like ancient Egypt dates or something like that. London magnet. Edinburgh, Scotland. Keychain, no, fridge magnet. Oh my god, I have a lot of this stuff. This, look, keychains. Another keychains. I really need to sell them because it is just too many for me. Give them to my family, but I don't know if they really keep it. Another keychain. I don't know if I should show you very detailed or it will take some time. Like this. This is a nice keychain, right? London bus. Yeah, and this one. Okay, Bulgaria, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Korea. Oh, what's that? Makkah, Sofia, Pamukkale. It is already this color. And Khmer, Antalya, Bulgaria. Focus. Yes. Yeah. Madinah Munawwara. And whoa. That's crazy. The amount of stuff here. The second box. Whoa, Sarah Jessica Parker perfume, which is like this, but this is original. Yeah, this is perfume. Okay, so how to open the perfume? I'm not sure, but haha, this is massive. Whoa. Okay. I'm gonna, I don't know. I think I want to smell it. How? Oh, like that. See? It is a solid perfume. And then this is Dubai magnet, Saudi Arabia handmade, and then this one I bought it in New York in Madame Tussauds. I like something dangling like this. It's just like charms. This is from Mexico, I think, which I've never been there. And those handmade. Oh, from Turkey. Sorry, Turkey. Yeah, I've been to Turkey. And then, what is in this box? In this small pouch. Oh, gemstones. Alright. It's here. Yeah, a lot of gemstone, like this is the tiger eye. Lots of it. From Turkey. It's so fast because I need to get through all this. Istanbul, Medina. Oh my god, I need to display them in my house. Will be crazy. House, I'm in my room. This is from Penang, Malaysia. This one is Malaysia. Nail cutter. If my baby comes here, I will be in big trouble. Istanbul, Turkey. Keychain. Magnet. Istanbul. This is keychain. Yeah, looks like cheap material. And this one is like plastic magnet. Plastic magnet. Wow, my god! I bought this in New York. Really? Oh, $18 now become 8, so it's 50% discount, and it's New York. I didn't even know I had this. Woo. I didn't know I was trying to call like this. I have some and it's broken, not really good, but this is something. It's really thick. Whoa. I think I'm gonna display it over there. Hope in the kitchen. I mean, I hope it's not gonna falling or anything. Oh, this one too is from Abu Dhabi. This is a magnet. 16 dirham. Oh, real, not real. I forgot they are using dirhams. So please focus. Yeah. Love New York. Oh, precious things, right? Indonesia. Mecca. I have to arrange them. Really, but there is no time now. It's almost night. This is Kerala. I've been to India, Kerala. Not Kerala, Kerala. Kerala, that's how they say it. And the man of the Saudi. This I made it from paper. Can you imagine? That's very difficult. New York City, which I bought this also. Everything from New York I bought it expensive. It's New York, you know. It's Turkey. Another one from New York. It's Azana. I'm tired already. And this one, Savannah, from Savannah. Jakarta. Istanbul. Sultan Ahmed. This is from America. And this is Mecca, New York. Look, everything I bought from New York is official. Like have this sticker, so it's something not really cheap. This is New York. At least $5. This one, another New York. Oh my god, I was wasting so much money. Another New York. So I don't know, I keep this for a gift. I give some of them, but I don't think I give them all. So okay, I'm gonna put this back. I need to have a system, but not now. So I'm gonna keep this while I'm... Oh, I have 5 minutes left. That is the minutes that I have. Okay. I'm just gonna take care of this. I'm gonna continue later. Okay. I also have some the New York, not New York, Big Ben Tower. Oh, something like this. Turn on. Something like this. This you can put the battery and it is lighting up. So this is crystal. And this box. This one from Penang. Oh, another New York. This is kitchen. Oh, I still have some. Savannah, Georgia, $6. And then India, from India. But this is too heavy, I think. It's too thick. Langkawi. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no, I didn't know I have this, and oh, Liberty statue, and I broke the hands. This is $4 each. I didn't even know I had this. Unbelievable. Oh. Okay, this is Istanbul. Another New York. And my young photo in Singapore, whatever. Selangkawi. Adidas socks. What am I doing? Yes, and then there is this Singapore. This Singapore. To display them. Yeah. I have some other things that I want to show. What? It was recording? Anyway. So I'm just collecting some of this small stuff. Tokyo Tower. Oh, Tokyo Tower. I never been to Japan anyway. London. Sri Lanka. Please focus. Egypt. Edinburgh. Mecca. Saudi Arabia. And this Antalya plates, camera plates. This needs to be on the wall. And then this one is the London souvenirs. This can be not on the wall. This can be like this. You see my laptop also has all these kind of stickers. And this is the Scotland one. It has the stand or not? Yeah, there is a stand here. There, Scotland. And the last one. Oh my god. Scarborough. Liverpool. Diamond. Edinburgh. University. London. I'm going through this so fast because sudah maghrib. Wait, I want to show you something. I also have lots of these mugs. London, Venezia. I love Saudi. I had that, I know, but I don't know where. And then a lot of oh my god. And this is Harry Potter one. The shopping bag. And the most expensive one, this tumbler, which is official New York merchandise. And this, so I put it here. So I love New York. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you can see what I'm showing you because it doesn't make focus and I don't have time to focus them each of them. Alright, bye. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum.